Ever built a big vision, saw it real, and then wondered, will this outlast me? I've dreamed bold, craved more, a mark that rings on. Today, it's all about legacy because your reality can ripple forever. Let's leap. Welcome to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential, the podcast where your transformation begins. I'm Shawn Michael, and each day I'll bring you quick, impactful insights and action steps to fuel your personal and professional growth. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a leader, or someone ready to break limits and ignite greatness, this is your daily power boost to crush obstacles, stay focused, and awaken the extraordinary potential within you. Because remember, greatness begins within. Let's go. Hey there, boosters. Welcome back to Daily Power Boost, where we unpack the mindset shifts and practical steps to live with purpose. I'm Shawn Michael, and today we're diving into the legacy leap, how to live a life that echoes. Last time, we vaulted vision into reality. Now, we're pushing it further. How do you live so your life keeps lifting? Our leap's got 3 strides: define, share, and endure. Whether you're leading a tribe or crafting your echo, this one's for you. Let's make our mark. Here's the vibe. I'd built my vault, show is growing, dreams are real, but then I asked, what stays when I'm gone? Sound familiar? Then I saw who I am can echo beyond now. Legacy's not a plaque, it's a life that lifts. Here's how we leap. We'll cover why defining your mark sets the tone, how sharing it spreads the sound, why enduring locks in the echo. First, define. Legacy starts with your stamp. What's yours? I pinned mine. Boost others to their best. It's like seeing your core clear. What's your gift? Your why? High achievers don't drift, they mark their ground. Next, share. A mark is mute if it's solo. I started giving more stories, wins, boosts, not trying to keep it. It's a choice. Spread your echo, lift as you go. Think visions build, flipped outward. Share what's real and it grows. That's your wave. Finally, endure. Legacy's not a sprint, it's a stand. I committed, steady vibe, real impact, long haul. It's being the one who lasts. Live your mark, not just flash it. High performers don't fade, they endure to echo. Let's pause and reflect. What's your echo now? Could defining it, sharing it, or enduring it make it ring? Here's why this hits. Defining names your tune. Sharing sings it loud. Enduring keeps it humming. I used to think legacy was for later, big shots, old age. Wrong. It's a leap. Know your mark, give it wings, and make it stick. We've built clarity all the way through to vision. This caps it all. So how do we do this? I'll share the leap. Shift from someday to what's my mark? Write one legacy line, your why, sharp, and own it today. Spread it out, share it. One story, one lift. Give it this week and feel the ring. Stick it strong. One act, keep it steady. A habit, a boost. Be the echo now and lock it in. Today's pro tip, stack this with what we've got. Use visions imagined to define. Impacts amplify to share. Beliefs, trust to endure. That's a legacy leaping. Legacy isn't just your finish, it's a life that echoes. Define your mark, share the sound, endure the lift. That vault I'd built, I leaped, named it, shared it, stuck it. And it's ringing now. You've got that leap too. That's it for today's Daily Power Boost. Your challenge? Pick one, define, share, or endure, and leap to legacy this week. Show notes have the prompts and exercises to keep echoing. Love this? Share it with someone building their mark and subscribe for more on mindset, leadership, and intentional living. Next time, we're tackling the Renewal Reset, how to restart stronger every season. Until then, leap bold, echo true, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential. Remember, transformation starts with action. So take today's insight, make it your own, and awaken your inner potential. Because remember, greatness begins within. Catch you tomorrow for your next Power Boost.